seat of the chair here has a tenon and it has the pegs. At the back, it only has a dowel connected to the back leg, so there's a little weakness there. Now you must remember that these chairs were designed over 200 years ago, approximately 200 years ago, so it's the old traditional Irish Tuam chair. I'm just going to do a little cheat, and I'm going to introduce a biscuit at that point there just to reinforce the joint, because the dowel itself is weak enough. Now the dowel is fine, but just to give it a bit more oomph, I'm going to put a biscuit into it. So I mark the points for the biscuit there. I'll take this out. I'll just get our biscuit joint from here, have it set. I'm using what's called a stub biscuit. So that's my biscuit slot there. Got this guy. And we just do the two sides here. Now the slots are coming out beyond the end here of the actual transverse rail there. So what I've done is I've just cut biscuits short. So now we have our reinforcing little situation placed there. So we put in the biscuit, that'll sit in there, same thing here. Like so. And what that will mean in effect is the biscuit will not come through there, so I won't have to cut that. So I'm ready to glue that now. Actually ready to glue the whole table, or chair I should say. Now that's my biscuiting done. I'm just going to glue that next, and I'll come back and assemble the rest of the chair. So in this case, it's a matter of taking these apart again. My joints are clean now. They've all been thoroughly cleaned. Mortises and tenons have been cleaned. I'm packing some glue there. Little glue on the edge there. Same thing with this guy now. Put a little glue on the shoulders here, and I'll put some glue on this guy as well here, and into the slot for the biscuit. Get our biscuit also, glue on that. It's number 20 biscuit I'm using here. That guy in there, this guy, oh, forgot to scrape this here. Little remedial. Polish on it here at this point. Forgot to scrape off that. I forgot this side as well. I'll get a little bit of glue into the slot there. Place in our biscuit there. There we go. You can put a bit of glue on that as well, just to surface bond. Not going to have any structural integrity with that. So, ready to just put a little bit on here, ready to put that together. So let's just switch it up. Let's see. some of the parts of that tenon broke off, so it'll bond to it when it goes back in. It's still inside in the mortise. That's it. Like some glue in right around the joint itself. Now we just get a bit of glue in there. You can do it with a brush as well. Okay, so that's. Oh, got the biscuit. We must put it together. Got the joint in there. Now just push the biscuit down there. So we go to the top here. Wet cloth. Always have a wet cloth. Hand cloth. Clean surface glue off. Always work clean when you can. Hygiene is very important. Now, put back in the old dowels that were in that, the original ones. While I do these, just get my tenon saw, put in a little score, like that. No glue. Don't need glue. Just pack them in there. So that's just a score. There's glue inside the joint already. That's glue from the tenon and the mortise, so that'll create enough there to pinch. Little pinch of glue will come onto the dowel and it'll hold inside. It's irrelevant anyway. So get the other two here. Now I should have had these done prior to now, but I haven't. The idea of scoring it is just to allow the glue to catch onto that little rib there. Score ends. Now if there's any trimming on the pinks, we'll do that later on. What I will do is make sure that they're down flush. So at the back, now, it's not easy to clamp across that because of the curvature there. So all I do is put it to one side for a little while. A little bit of masking tape across it there, a little bit of pressure. Done. It's enough pressure to hold that in position just for a couple of hours while the glue sets. So I leave that to one side, I go off and do the rest of them, and then I'll assemble the rest of the chair when that's set. So, over and out for now.